Hey beautiful family, welcome back. And if anybody that's new that's visiting today, thanks for stopping by. My name's Lady Cinnamon and I'm so happy that you're here. You're so welcome and I definitely appreciate you. Thanks for stopping by. So guys, I am super excited today. I did a glam DIY mirror that I wanted to do for my bathroom. I was looking to maybe purchase it, but you know, I thought I didn't really want to spend $200 or $300. So I figured I would go ahead and make it. So we'll get into how I made this now. So guys, I got this mirror from Hobby Lobby and guess what? It was $11.99, but there was a little nick on it, so I got it for half price. So guys, always try to go by clearance and always try to look for things that might be on sale for something really small like that. So I am stoked about this. So instead of using wood, because it's not a large mirror, I'm just going to go ahead and use foam board. It's very affordable from the Dollar Tree. What I'm going to do is trace out 2 inches from the perimeter, the circumference, and just basically do that all the way around. And then I'm going to get my X-Acto knife and cut it out on my cutting mat. And I'm not going to use the center, I'm just going to use the outer ring. But I'm also going to go back and trace out this full circle with another piece because I'm going to be gluing these together. Now because it is a black foam, I'm going to go ahead and get some metallic silver paint, and that will give a nice reflection for the mirror. And you only really need 1 coat because it really won't be seen, so it will dry really quick. Now that they're dry, I'm just going to go ahead and hot glue these together. I'm just going to use a generous amount to make sure that it really adheres really well. Then I'm going to go back around the edges and the inner perimeter to make sure that it's really sealed because this will be going in my bathroom. I do have some bling wrap that I'm also going to be using on the edge. You really won't see it that much, but once again, I want whatever mirror to be reflected with light, and these crystals would be perfect for this. Now that that's done, I'm going to go ahead and use some E6000. I'm going to be using this because I really want it to adhere really well because of steam in the bathroom, and I'm going to go back over it with my hot glue because this will give it the adhesion right away while the actual E6000 is setting up. And as you can see, the mirror fits perfectly now. Now I'm going to be using some mirror slats that I got from Amazon. These were only $9.99, so the mirror is $15. However, when I went back to get some more of these to order, they were $15. So I'm going to have to go ahead and look in Amazon and provide a link below where they're much more affordable if you're interested in making or duplicating this mirror. What I'm doing now is going about 1/4 inch apart and placing my mirrors into the outer ring. And once I get this completely done in a circle, I'm going to go back and add a second layer, but it will actually be in between each of the mirrors to give it that look. And I'm doing this to arrange them all around the edges to have that nice trending glam mirror look that I'm going for. All I'm going to do now is trim it out. I was going to use the bling chain, but now I'm just going to go back with the bling wrap. And I just really love the way it looks. It's beautiful. I hope you like the way this turned out, guys. Once again, this is only 15 bucks. So I saved so much money doing this. And as you can see, I have it hanging on that wall next to my towel rack. And it looks absolutely gorgeous. So guys, I hope that you like this DIY. Please don't forget to hit the bell twice for notifications if you're going to like and subscribe. And I would really appreciate it if you were to become a part of my family. You guys that are ride or dying with me, you're so appreciated. Thank you so much for always stopping by and giving so much support. You guys have no idea how much I appreciate you. So in the meantime, stay safe, keep your head up. Things are going to definitely get better. And guys, thank you all so much for watching. Have a blessed day.